Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. It continues to hover in this resistance area. It's really in the pivot, in this sort of trend reversal area highlighted in orange there, the resistance area for this B wave. Here we're going to see a little bit of a decision moment. At the moment, we certainly get rejected in that box. That box is ranging between 40.1 and 40.8 cents. So since my last video, we haven't really seen much change here, but that means that still the previous comments, they remain valid, which means that as long as we're holding the yellow support area, and the critical support here is 35.2 cents, we can focus generally on higher. In this structure, we have the possibility that, and they are both part of the same scenario, as if you want to call it like that. It's a bit like, we can focus on higher, but there's a couple of ways how to get there. I mean, there's really infinite ways of how to get there, but the task, obviously, of an Elliott wave analyst is to identify the 2 or 3 most likely ones and highlight them. The one key way how we could get there is with this yellow count, which indicates that we came down in a wave W, moved up in the so-called X wave. It's a corrective wave structure, a double combo and the double combination pattern, and we're now coming down in a Y wave. The sub-wave structure of the Y wave would be A, B, C. So taking that into account, we should, in this particular pattern, as long as we stay below 40.8 cents, I mean, we can go above it, but then things are going to get unlikely for this particular pattern. Ideally, we stay below 40.8 cents and then sell off quite imminently in this C wave. Ideally getting into this support area down here. In this particular support area, we then have a chance to turn around. Now, ideal target, I mean, we talked about the support range here between 37.2 and 35.2 cents. There is another way of calculating where that Y wave should go to. And what we can do is we take the length of the wave W, go to the high of the X wave, and a key target here would be the 1.618 extension at 35.75 cents, or even the 1-to-1 ratio wouldn't come down that much then, which is at 37.8 cents. That's one scenario which will get less likely above 40.8 cents, but really we can only rule out an X wave above 42.4 cents. So in this scenario, we would come down, retest yellow box, and then rally. In the other direct breakout scenario, I would have to assume that wave 2 already bottomed here on the 7th of April, and we're rallying directly. I would find that unlikely given the structure, because this price structure suggests at the moment a deeper pullback, just due to the fact that this is a 3-wave move up. You could possibly get away here with a diagonal of some sort, but it is unlikely. So for me, that's why it's only the alternative. The direct breakout, of course, possible, but only the alternative, because it's not a great structure to create a wave 2 low. This one here. So ideally, the wave 2 low will sit here. We make one more lower low in the yellow box and then take off. Or taking off directly, which would become much more likely above 40.8 cents and even more likely above 42.4. Of course, all of these only likely and valid basically as long as we're holding 35.2 cents. Target here for wave 3. Let's look at that as well. So we take the length of the wave 1. Just see, length of the wave 1, we go to the low of the last, possible wave 2 low, this here, which is here. But eventually, if it comes down lower, this target to the upside needs to be adjusted as well. But based on this, target would be 49.3 cents for the 3rd wave, basically the minimum target. Basically the ideal target, but they can always extend out further, especially in a bullish environment. That's everything about ADA at the moment. So we need to be patient. We watch the chart. I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.